Hey, Missouri, you feel like singing a little bit? You feel like singing a little bit? Here's my guitar. You might notice that. A glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. Now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't always get what you want. Now you can't
I must say, Missouri, you sang that beautifully. What a choir we've amassed tonight. I want to tell you something. You know, this has to be the last show of our US tour. And it's so great to be spending it with you guys tonight in the Ozarks. It's been special. Well, we never played before. We never played here before. I've never been to this particular place anyways. But last night, you know, me and some of the crew went to Branson. And we saw some great shows. I mean, I saw the Dolly Parton Horses Stampede. I saw Adele. I saw Michael Jackson. And then I ended up in Area 71. And I saw Mick Jagger. It was good. No, it was really good. I don't know if it's the same person that's up here tonight, but it's very similar. Anyways, I want to introduce you, everyone up on stage. First up, I want to introduce you to Mr. Bernard Fowler. And right behind, Miss Chanel Haynes. On the saxophone, Tim Reese. On the tenor, Carl Denson. On the keyboards and French horn, Matt Clifford. On the drums, Steve Jordan. Sorry, Steve. Got out of place. On the keyboard, Chuck Lavelle. On the bass, Daryl Jones. And now the Rembrandt of Ridgedale, the Michelangelo of Missouri, and the Tintoretto of Table Rock. On the guitar, Ronnie Wood. He loves you. He adores you. He'd stay there all night. Okay, well, that's sort of enough. I know it's the last show of you. And now on guitar and vocals, Keith Richards!
Thank you, Missouri.